The Wychavon Industrial and Warehouse Market, looking at your report, it certainly seems that take-up is certainly down on last year. What's the reason behind that, Andrew? What's going on?
The Wychavon take-up figures, John, are very dependent on some key deals at landmark developments. In 2019, we saw some fantastic businesses coming into Worcester 6, which obviously supported those high take-up figures. In previous years, we've seen great movement into Hartlebury Trading Estate, for example, and Vale Business Park out in Evesham. Unfortunately, these new developments are struggling to keep up with demand, which is not a bad sign. It's great to have that demand there. So yes, there has been a blip this year, but don't let that put anybody off for the next few years, because as these developments are catching up, and we know there's some great space coming forward on Hartlebury, some great space at Vale Business Park, and obviously the second phase of Worcester 6 was taken to planning just the other week. So as we're seeing these phases coming into completion, we'll certainly see those take-up figures pick back up. I think what was really encouraging for us to see last year was actually the smaller schemes also coming forward. So we've seen Withy Wells, which is next to Worcester 6, come on the market and offer some great rental accommodation, and Salwalk Business Park near our offices in Droitwich is going to offer some brilliant freehold accommodation. So it's great to see those schemes coming forward as well. It's just, at the moment, we're waiting for them to come out to their completion, which means hopefully to some fantastic deals this year, and hopefully buoying those take-up figures back up for next year.
Yeah, as you say, we both know, don't we, that Wychavon actually does that large stuff and that small stuff really well, and you know, really encouraging that actually, as demonstrated with your report, that actually inquiry levels were right up this year, and lots of people wanting to be in that Wychavon area, which is encouraging. So do you think that's set to continue?
I think so, and it's the geography of Wychavon, isn't it? Again, it's such a large area, but it has such great schemes in it. Hartlebury Trading Estate, I know you're busy acquiring some stuff on there at the moment, John, and you've seen some really good offerings on there. Vale Business Park down in Evesham, which offers some great space. Keytech on Pershaw, and I know that there's 30,000 square foot being introduced there, which will be great for Pershaw, but also the ones around the motorway junction, so Worcester 6 as well.